is Pierre. Tell me when you're starting.
It's starting. It started.
Oh, this is Pierre, and he's taking a bath. He's cleaning himself, or I'm helping him clean himself with little particles of sand. Look at his eyes.
He's so comfortable.
That feels so nice.
He's looking at us.
Just rub that shit in.
This video is for 22 minutes.
Baby. You see, he didn't want to do it himself. He wanted somebody to do it for him. What a lazy little bastard. Oh, look at his little eyes. Closed up. Little closed eye. Pee-pee.
His
eyes are clearly closed.
real sandy and shit. You just gonna sit there?
Oh, look at his eyes, they're closed. He got high from his bath.
Oh.
Should we get you out of the sand? I'm sure you could save the sand.
I think so. He's
in like a bag.
He hasn't peed in it or anything. That's a good video. Oh,
come kiss me.
Too much. Pee-pee, you ready to come out?
I'll give you a sandwich bag.
Oh, thank you. Hey. How'd you enjoy your bath, booby? Are you done? Let's take one more shower.
Dirt.
Shower, shower.
Now get in the bag.
Alright, Pierre, say bye. Say, I'm clean!